Preston, what are you doing? Is there something down there you want? Preston. Hey. Look at your face. What's he got, PJ? Huh? Get it. What is it? Huh? What is it? Preston, is there something there? Huh? Come on. Preston. Preston, look at Mommy. Oh, everybody's so cold. Beautiful snow. Beautiful, beautiful snow. It's laying on the honeysuckle here, just pretty as it could be. Pretty, pretty.